Feeling like the universe is a bit too much lately? You're not alone. While everything around us feels loud and chaotic, the actual universe is unfolding its own slow, dramatic story, one that ends in complete silence. So take a deep breath, zoom out, and join us on a journey through time itself to discover the last thing that will ever happen in the universe. In the beginning, the universe was chaos, hot, dense, and expanding fast. As it cooled, it formed hydrogen and helium, the seeds of the first stars. Those stars were massive, short-lived, and explosive, creating heavier elements and spreading them across space. Each new generation of stars refined this matter, but not all of it came back. Some became white dwarfs, neutron stars, or black holes, locking that material away forever. And with less gas available, fewer new stars could form. Believe it or not, 90% of all the stars that will ever exist already have. In the next 100 billion years, the universe will still be full of light. Stars will shine, galaxies will spin, and planets may still orbit, but slowly the big stars will die out. Red dwarfs, small, long-living stars will remain, glowing for trillions of years. Eventually, even they will fade. The last stars will cool into dark, dead remnants, black dwarfs. Invisible, silent, cold. By then, most galaxies will have fallen apart. Objects will drift into the dark or fall into black holes. The cosmos will become a sea of scattered remnants in endless space. And still, the story isn't over. Black holes, once thought eternal, will slowly lose mass through Hawking radiation. Over unimaginably long timescales, 100 years, they'll evaporate and disappear. What remains? A lonely universe filled with cold black dwarfs, dead stars in a frozen void. But even now, something strange can happen. Inside black dwarfs, quantum tunneling allows atomic nuclei to fuse, even near absolute zero. It's rare, incredibly slow, but over trillions of years, fusion happens. Carbon becomes magnesium. Oxygen becomes silicon. Eventually, elements like nickel-56 are formed, which decay into iron, releasing particles that destroy the electrons holding the dwarf up. As more electrons vanish, gravity wins. And then, after possibly 1,000 years, the last thing happens. A black dwarf collapses, triggering a final supernova. One final burst of light in a universe that has known only darkness for ages. And then, stillness. Silence, the end. That's the last thing the universe will ever do. Not with a bang. Not even a whisper. Just a single flash and then nothing. But don't let that weigh you down. This moment is unimaginably far in the future. Right now we live in the brightest era the universe will ever know. So enjoy it. Cherish this time. We are here in the middle of cosmic history, while stars still shine. Have you ever felt lost navigating overwhelming information? What if there's a way to find clarity? Imagine waking up every day, energized and motivated. What if I told you this could be a reality? Today, we're diving into a powerful concept that can transform your life. This concept revolves around creating a structured environment for your dreams. First, let's break down what that means. Our environment shapes our mindset. A cluttered space leads to a cluttered mind. Next, it's essential to identify your goals. Write them down. Be specific. This simple act can clarify your vision. After that, design a space that reflects those goals. That could mean organizing your desk or redecorating a room. Every item should inspire and motivate you. Let's personalize this process. If your goal is to write a book, create a cozy writing nook. Surround yourself with inspiration. Books, art, anything that fuels your creativity. Now think about your routines. Your daily habits should support your aspirations. Start small. For instance, allocate time each day for focused work. Consistency is key. Finally, remember the importance of reflection. Regularly assess your progress. Celebrate your successes and learn from your setbacks. In summary, creating a structured environment can ignite your passion and focus. Take control of your space and watch how it transforms your journey. Are you ready to take the first step? Share your goals in the comments below, and let's embark on this journey together. Thanks for watching. If this journey made you wonder about your place in the cosmos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories from Facts of Life. The universe is vast. Let's explore it together.